Holy cow. This thing's starting to look like a engine bay. Still missing some parts here, but I kind of got most of the stuff mocked up here, and trying to figure out what else I need. Stuff like that. Got some broken headlight adjusters, you know, typical stuff. And waiting for the little rubber insulators for the rad. And now I put those on, so I got to get the little rubbers here for the wheel wells on the inside. Got to get those. So every time you put something on, you realize you're missing something else. But starting to look pretty good now. So tomorrow I'm going to start working on the until I get some more parts here. I'm going to start working on the fenders. I got one I still got to do some massaging to in the front, because it was hit. The other one I just got to do some body work and get it primed up and stuff. I'd like to get those all kind of painted up and get them on the car here, but I'm not going to put them on until after this thing's running and I know everything is good. And so yeah, that's about it. I just kind of wanted to show you guys that for now, so you can see where we're at here. See, headlights are all done. Looking good. I had to polish all the trim rings and, you know, just get everything cleaned up and all that kind of stuff. But it looks good. The chrome looks really good. You know? Yeah. It looks really good. I still got to paint. This needs to be blacked out on the inside here, all the way around. That's kind of how it was before, so that's why these guys, when they chrome it, they kind of left it rough in here, because they already knew it had to be painted in there anyway. They didn't care, but all the nice stuff that matters is all chromed really good. So once I get those trimmed up, and then once that's done, well, yeah, once the fender's on, I'm gonna start getting into doing the front bumpers and stuff like that. So I'm starting to run out of parts upstairs. Thank God. Alright guys, that's about it. I think I'm gonna probably do a little bit of work on the square body here for a little bit. Alright, talk to you guys later.